Hi students, in the last few videos we have been seeing how to use the differentiation formulas to differentiate simple expressions. In this video we will start to see how to use the UV method for differentiation. Okay, we'll start with a simple input function x sin x. So as the UV method suggests, input function has to be in the product form. So we see two functions x and sin x in the product style. So let's demark one as u and the other as v. So u is going to be x and v is going to be sin x. Please understand, you can choose whichever you'd like as u and v. There are no discriminations against it. So we know what is the formula for UV method. UV on differentiation will be equal to u dash v plus v dash u. So let's first find differentiation of each of these inputs. So u dash is differentiation of x, which is 1. V dash is differentiation of sin x, so that is cos x. Now differentiation of x sin x is going to be equal to u v dash, so x cos x plus 1 into sin x, so it is simply sin x. Again, since addition is commutative, you can change the order as well. So you can write 1 into sin x is sin x plus x cos x, so both the answers are true. Okay, we will try once more with another input function to see how UV works. So let the input function be x squared tan x. So in this case, I'm going to take the u as x squared and the v as tan x. So let's find the differentiation of individually these functions. U dash is going to be 2x, v dash is going to be secant squared x. Now let's write the differentiation of x squared tan x. So this is going to be u v dash, so x squared secant squared x plus v u dash. So I'm going to write this as 2x tan x. Okay. Now let's try one more input function to understand how this works. So the input function is going to be e power x tan x. Okay, so u in this case is e power x, v in this case is tan x. So u dash is going to be again e power x, v dash is going to be secant squared x. So let's write the differentiation of e power x tan x, that is going to be u v dash. So e power x secant squared x plus e power x tan x. So in this case, I can take out the e power x outside. So this could be secant squared x plus tan x. Okay, so this simplification is optional. Always keep in mind the marks, sometimes that may also be a guideline as to whether you need to simplify your answers or not. Let's take one more example to see how UV method works. Let the input be 2 sin x cos x. There are two ways to think about it. You can take this 2 outside and then you can make a simple UV. But most of the times, due to human error, we will completely forget that you have a 2 outside for consideration. So what I'm going to do is take the 2 as part of your UV. So 2 sin x is my u. The v is going to be cos x. So let's find out. U dash is going to be 2 cos x. V dash is going to be minus sin x. Now let's write the differentiation of 2 sin x cos x. Okay, differentiation of this is going to be u v dash. So I'm going to bring the minus sign first. 2 sin squared x u dash v. So in this case, it's plus 2 cos squared x. So I can simply take the 2 outside. So you can write this as cos squared x minus sine squared x. This seems familiar, isn't it? So this you can simplify and write this as 2 cos 2x. Okay, so let's try once more. This time I want to do the uv without having the 2 into the consideration. So u is going to be equal to just sin x. So u dash is just cos x. Then v is equal to cos x. So v dash is going to be equal to sin x. So when I write after the uv method, you need a 2 outside. So in this case, sorry, I missed a minus sign. So u into v dash is going to be minus sine squared x. This will be plus cos squared x. So cos squared x minus sine squared x, 2 into cos 2x. So whichever method you would like to do is fine, but ensure if you use this particular method, you have a 2 to multiply in the final answer. Most of us, we forget that as part of a human error. So be very careful if you use that particular approach. So in the next video, we will also see more use cases as to handle how this UV method works. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.